J. I try. कर.
रेकॉर्ड होतोय मीटिंग.
Okay. Now can you see? Is it visible now? Screen?
Boy.
Boy is there. Look, the ink is there. Mouse is there. Right? This yellow lemon juice, I think, that is there.
Cat. मैम cat है यहाँ पर.
Yeah, यहाँ पर cat भी है. And look at here on the book. Mouse is also there. Right? So what is the name of this mouse? That mouse name is Inky. What is the name of this mouse? Look, Inky is the mouse who sat on the books. Okay. And Inky mouse spilled the ink. Wow. Inky mouse spilled the ink. Can you see it?
Yes.
So Inky is the pet. Do you have any pet at your home? Pet means?
No.
पाळलेला प्राणी आहे का तुमच्याकडे कोणाकडे?
No.
तन्याकडे आहे वाटतं. ओके, स्वराकडे नाहीये. तन्या तुझ्याकडे कुठला आहे?
मॅम डॉग आहे, कॅट आहे, गोट आहे.
वाव, व्हेरी गुड. ईशानकडे आहे का ईशान? तुझ्याकडे आहे? पेट आहे पेट? पाळीव प्राणी आहे कुठला पाळलेला ईशान? नो. ईशान तुझ्याकडे? नो. ओके. Only Tanya has the pet. Okay. Then what happened to this Inky? The Inky is my pet. Okay. Now Inky spill the ink on his body and Inky get wet. ओला झाला Inky. Inky कसा झाला? ओला झाला. Okay.
Ola.
Okay. So, what this Inky says now? Inky says, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, what else is there in the picture? There are few more things. You have to notice that also.
Ma'am, juice.
Juice is there. Okay. See
Drawing.
Huh?
Ink.
Ink is there. Yeah, ink is there already. We have seen the ink. Look on this wall, the painting. What is on that painting? Which painting it is?
Books, ma'am.
Books झालं. I am talking about this painting. What is there? I love you too.
Mom, because there was my friends who come in my house tomorrow.
Look on this wall. Look on this wall. There is a painting. The painting has hill on that. Hills. Can you see?
Nature.
Nature. But what nature kind of it is? It is the hill. It is the
Ma'am,
hill.
Ma'am, sun.
Sun is also there. Very good. So now, so this mouse name, what is the mouse name? What is the mouse name? I told you right now. Inky.
Inky.
Inky the mouse. It spilled the ink on his body and it get wet, right? So now we will listen one song, okay? Now you tell me, can you listen it or not? Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
What is there on the screen? What is there on the screen? Can you hear? Can you hear?
Yes.
Song you can hear, right?
Yes.
So look, this is the
What?
Inky mouse. This is the Inky the mouse. And it spilled the ink now, okay? Now let's play once again.
मॅम वापस करायला मी बघितलंच
वापस,
नव्हतं.
वापस. Yes, yes. परत लावणार आहे, okay? You listen carefully, all of you now. 1, 2, 3. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky the mouse. Got it? Did you listen? So what
Yes.
it is saying? Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it sprayed all over the desk. Desk means table. Look, the ink gets spilled on the table, right? Is it? Ink gets spread all over the table. That is called as a desk. Okay. And what happened to Inky? Inky get wet. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky get wet. Now tell me which letter we are talking about. Guess. Guess. We are talking about which letter?
I.
I. Yes. Very good. We are talking about the letter I. But what is the sound of letter I? What is the sound of letter I? Look. The mouse, Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky get wet. So what is the sound?
Ma'am, E.
Correct, all of you. So we are talking about the letter I. No, the letter name is I. And the letter sound is E. Okay. So, do you want to listen one more?
Yes. सकाळ झाली आता. Sorry,
Okay. So let's listen one more time. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Who will sing the song again? Okay, we will turn. We'll take the turn. Who want to sing? Krisha, will you sing it?
Yes.
Okay, try it. Just try. Huh. 1, 2, 3. Inky the mouse is my pet. Say. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. Say, Krisha, say. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread. The ink is spread all over the desk.
And over the desk.
And Inky get wet.
And Inky get wet.
Okay, so got you, all of you? So what is the
Yes.
next sound? Now can you see me, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So we are talking about which letter?
I.
Are talking about the letter I. This is the uppercase I and this is the lowercase I. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So can you write the uppercase I and lowercase I?
It's swing! Let's learn our sounds today. A, B, C, and every way. Phonics fun, come sing along. We'll sound it out and play this song. A says ah, B says C says K, and D says each letter's got a sound to say. Come on, let's learn today.